Care workers are working to really keep up with the latest spike in cases. Lily Zhang reports from Fort Worth.
Working with MedStar for the past decade, John Hamilton has seen it all. And with the COVID-19 pandemic,
a little bit sicker people than what we're normally used to seeing. So it's been a little bit different this year.
Different, and as of lately, not declining in volume. Since June, MedStar is reporting an 87% increase in the number of patients potentially experiencing a COVID-19 related illness.
You don't know how contagious a person is. Even though I've been personally vaccinated, I still have a little bit of concern for each patient I come in contact with that they might transmit a variant to me as well. And then I'm concerned about bringing that home to my family as well.
As of Wednesday, hospitals within Trauma Service Area E includes more than 1,900 COVID-19 patients. It's an increase of 36 patients from the day before and nearly 5 times as many 1 month ago. According to the DFW Hospital Council, Tarrant County has the most amount of hospitalized patients.
The vaccine, when it came out, it was in short supply, so there were long lines and some people got worried about that. Well, that situation has gone away. I mean, we have way too much vaccine, all of our providers.
Tarrant County health leaders have long urged vaccinations, with free testing sites now also operated by the county. Hamilton says while vaccinations are a personal choice,
community welfare-wise, the average individual to go ahead and get this immunization. And we did it with smallpox, and we eradicated that with immunization.
A public vaccine clinic is scheduled for this Friday at their headquarters in Fort Worth. Lily Zhang, NBC5.
That clinic at MedStar's headquarters on Friday will be from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. And we have a link to other clinics and testing sites in the county on our website, NBCDFW.com.
There are nearly 2,000 people battling COVID-19 from North Texas hospitals. That's the latest report from the DFW Hospital Council, and that's an increase of 36 patients since yesterday. With hospitals working to keep up with the latest spike, so are many other first responders. Lily Zhang reports from Fort Worth.
As a paramedic, John Hamilton has seen just about everything in times of emergency. The past year and a half has been something else.
We're definitely a busy system, and with COVID, it has brought those levels up exceptionally higher than what we're normally used to.
That volume of work has only grown recently. When it comes to the number of patients potentially experiencing a COVID-19 related illness, MedStar has seen an 87% increase since June. Hamilton says responding to those kinds of calls involve protection, not just for the patient, but field crews too.
You don't know how contagious a person is. Even though I've been personally vaccinated, I still have a little bit of concern for each patient I come in contact with that they might transmit a variant to me as well. And then I'm concerned about bringing that home to my family as well.
As cases continue to rise, MedStar is encouraging CDC recommended practices like mask wearing along with COVID-19 vaccines. A public vaccine clinic is scheduled for this Friday at their headquarters in Fort Worth. Lily Zhang, NBC5.